As we're ending this year, we're going into a new one. It's real important to look at the fact that most of us have been wounded. We've been wounded by the pandemic. We've been wounded by scares over the last few years and uncertainty even about the future. And what we want to do now is look to where do you want to go? Use your present and past momentum to create a torpedo-like focus going into the new year. So as you sit here and you start thinking about, okay, I know what didn't take place in the last couple of years. What do I want to take place in the next year? And start setting those goals. And the one thing I would caution is don't worry about how. That is the number one mistake people make. Even me, if I go and say, well, I want 10 books on the New York Times bestseller list, screaming in my head is how. I'm not going to worry about how. That's up to God or whoever else is in control here. I'm going to put it out there. I'm going to do what I can. And those are the reminders for everybody. What do you want to have, do, or be for 2023? Focus on that, visualizing it, doing the Neville thing where you imagine it's already taken place, it's a done deal, doing the Teddy Roosevelt thing where you do something every day, like do what I can with what I have, right where I am, and doing all of that and staying in your support group, reading our books, staying focused on where you want to go. You can create the momentum to make virtually anything happen.